In 2021, the world economy recovered, growing by more than 5.5%. However, the recovery was unbalanced, with serious problems such as high inflation and supply disruptions. This year, the world economy has major risks, and the recovery faces uncertainties.
Chinese economic strength is a plus for the world economy. And the ability of China to have recouped and regained strength after the pandemic, China is still playing that very central, important role for the world economy. Now, on the other hand, or also in addition to that, China's commitment to globalization through multilateralism, through adhering and abiding by those rules that have been negotiated for decades, is also to be welcomed, and it is welcome.
Absolutely. Certainly, the problems of the global family have become more complex. So, the sharing, building a community of shared destiny is actually a reflection of the dream of the human family to have harmony, to have a balance to have justice, to have equality in the world, so that the world is rid of conflicts and confrontations and issues that are confronting the current contemporary generation. So China has assisted many poor countries who were waiting for these vaccines, and also China is helping many countries localize the production of these vaccines. China, by its actions, proves what it says.